Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is brush through my eyebrows with this spoolie. I'm going to link everything I'm using down below. Please note some of them are affiliate links, but I'm just using a spoolie to kind of brush through my brow hairs because I do apply my foundation first. This kind of gets the hairs neat and the foundation out of them. Next, I'm going in with this angled brush from e.l.f. and then some hairspray. I'm applying some hairspray to the bristles on the brush, and then pinching the ends to make the brush like sharp on the end to have a clean line when we draw on the brow hairs. So once that's dried in a sharp position, I'm going to scoop a little bit of the brow pomade out of the container. I'm using the Anastasia brow pomade, applying that to the back of my hand, and then kind of pinching the brush once again, and I'm going to start drawing on little hair-like strokes following the natural growth of my brow hairs, just following the direction, and then just kind of lightly feathering upwards, and then just dipping into the product on the back of my hand as needed, just working my way towards the tail. I'm kind of just filling them in where my hairs don't grow very dense naturally, following the shape of my brow as well. Just placing the hairs on side by side. Then I'm going to fill in the front. I'm being a little bit more sparse with this on my brows personally because my hairs don't grow as dense there. Then making my way towards the tail. I'm going to extend this out a little bit because my hairs don't grow very long on the outer corner. So just kind of drawing those on at the same angle of the hair growth. Filling in any gaps in the middle of the brow. And then brushing them downwards, and then again I'm going to follow the growth of these hairs and then kind of feathering them downwards, being a little bit more light-handed because I don't want the top of the brow to be too intense. So here I'm just drawing on the hairs till I meet the highest point of my brow arch, about right here, and then I'm going to start connecting the tail from the top portion. So here I'm just dragging these little lines to connect with the tail lines that I drew on the lower portion, and then filling in the middle. Just making my brow as long as I'd like it in the outer corner. Depends on the look I'm going for. Just kind of filling in any sparse areas that I think I missed. And then brushing through once again. My spoolie needs a cleaning. It's full of foundation and just whatever makeup. Next I'm going in with the NYX Control Freak Brow Gel. Brushing that through. And then I'm going to comb over the top to just neaten up the hairs. If you're going for the feather brow look, you could also just leave them up, but for this look, I'm just going to neaten them downwards. Next, with some concealer and an e.l.f. concealer brush, I'm just cleaning up the bottom line of my brows, being very light-handed with this. You can also clean up the tail a little bit, but that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to be notified of the next time I post, and the like button if you did enjoy the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!